Ku danna subscribe sannan ku danna ƙararrawa domin samun sababbin shirye-shiryenmu.
Afternoon and welcome to Sarauniyar Hausa channel TV and the news. Here are the summary of President Muhammad Buhari's speech on lockdown April 27, 2020. After the completion of the total lockdown for 28 days in Abuja, Lagos and Ogun State, indigene of the mentioning states were eagerly waiting for the speech of the President Muhammad Buhari today, 27 April 2020. Not only the three states are concerned, all the states in the country really want to hear what he will say. There are the summary. These are the summary of his speech. 1. Lockdown remain in place at the three states. 2. New nationwide measure will be introduced as follows. A. There will be overnight curfew from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. It simply means to move will be allowed during the period except for essential services. B. There will be a ban on non-essential interstate passenger travel until further notice. C. Partial and controlled interstate movement of goods and services will allow for movement of goods and services from producer to consumers. D. Compulsory use of face mask in public in addition to maintain physical distance and personal hygiene. E. Restriction on social and religious gatherings should be remain in place. The above measure will come to effect on Monday, 1st May 2020. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe our channel on YouTube for more updates. Thank you.